We're assembled here in the presence of God to unite Shawn Saganowicz and Emily Marie Thompson in marriage.
This is my love song to you. Let every woman know I'm yours, so you can fall asleep each night, babe, and know I'm dreaming of you more. You're always hoping that we make it. You always want to keep my gaze, but you're the only one I see, love, and that's the one thing that won't change. I will never stop trying. I will never stop watching as you leave. I will never stop losing my breath every time I see you looking back at me. And I will never stop holding your hand. I will never stop opening your door. I will never stop choosing you, babe. I will never get used to you.
1, 2, 3. Shawn and Emily!
And with this love song to you, it's not a momentary phase. You are my life, I don't deserve you, but you love me just the same. And as the mirror says we're older, I wanna look the other way. You are my life, my love, my only, and that's the one thing that won't change. I will never stop trying.
Emily is one of the most precious gifts that God has ever given to me. Today I am pleased to entrust her to you. I'm proud to call you my son. Today you become Mrs. Shawn Saganowicz, but you'll always be my little girl.
I will never stop choosing you, babe. I will never get used to you. Still get my heart racing. You still get my heart racing. You still get my heart racing. You still get my heart racing for you. I will never stop trying. I will never stop watching as you leave. I will never stop losing my breath every time I see you looking back at me. And I will never stop holding your hand. I will never stop opening your door. I will never stop choosing you, babe. I will never get used to you.